We're stuck in all these automatic patterns. Now, what happens if I'm in the car behind you and I flash my brights and honk my horn, whatever it is, and then you choose not to change the speed because you're in your pattern? I'm not going to let you, and I'm in my pattern. Oh, I'm going to show you. Then all of a sudden, you see my car move over into the right lane, and you hear my engine go, and you see me coming up on your right. What do?
Speed up.
Speed up. So that's how you get somebody to go faster. That was easy. See, there are solutions to get us to what we want and where we want to go in life. There are solutions that are going to get our preschoolers to change their behaviors because it benefits us. But it's usually not the initial oppositional one. How many of you are still surprised when you tell your kids not to do something and they do it? I don't want to hear another peep out of you. Exactly. If I tell her, you're not allowed to, well, that's like stereo coffee drinking. You guys are doing okay. If I tell her, you're not allowed to touch her, that's it. She's going to touch her. In a teacher's mind that doesn't be, there's my good English, okay? In a teacher's mind that doesn't even understand that there's a power and there's a responsibility, she blames the child for not following her directions. But if there's a teacher that lives in a reality, like me, I know if I say don't touch her, all I did was I said, touch her please, and I told the entire classroom, if you want my attention, touch your friend. And I still have teachers come up to me after a workshop where I spend 2 hours, like after this one, we're going to do behavior management. And I spend time, and I still have teachers come up to me, and they say, okay, I have a question. I say, go for it, I'm excited. So I tell my kids not to do something, and they do it. And I go, got it, what's next? She's like, what do you mean? So why do they do it? I'm like, we just taught, were you here for the workshop? Did you just show up? Oh, I've been paying attention the whole time. But like, it's a blockage. And there's nothing wrong with it, but you get to try on that there can be a different way. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.